Hello, welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. I hope you're doing well, and today I am participating again of another open collaboration. What would you make? I'll tell you about that a little later, but now let's jump into our first project. I'm going to be painting both of these tables with this bear paint, and the color is white, and I'll be giving it 2 coats. My son works in a moving company, and all the furniture that people don't want, they usually ask him if he wants it, and there's times when he is generous and he will bring pieces of furniture so I could repurpose it. He doesn't do that all the time because he says that I'm a hoarder. Unbelievable. But anyway, I took both of these pieces and I gave it 2 coats to both of them. And this is the way they turned out. They look beautiful. And there goes Diva, the inspector. And I think they look absolutely beautiful. That yellow color had to go. So now I went to my dining room. Now that they are all dry, I took the knobs and I gave it 1 coat with the Rust-Oleum black paint. And once they were dry, I went and I put them back on the drawers. And these little ceramic panels, my son was fixing his basement floor and these were left over. So he asked me if I wanted them, and you know I'm not gonna say no. I saw potential and this is what I am going to be using it for. So I took both of them, I put them on top of both of the tables. Now I'm gonna be moving soon. I'm selling my home. So I didn't want to put any type of glue on top of the both of the tables because I think it would be much easier for me to move them versus one long piece. So what I did is I gave it 2 coats with the same white paint from Bear, and again I gave it 2 coats and it turned out amazing. And if you are coming from one of the other platforms, welcome to my YouTube channel where I've adorned my table with a touch of glamour and a sparkle of farm decor. Comment below and let me know which style you prefer. And the best part of all is that the 2 tables were completely free. The 2 ceramic panels were also completely free. And the only thing that I had to use was the white paint that was sitting around in my studio for a while. And now for the final reveal. And today is another open collaboration, What Would You Make? And it is being hosted every month by Zana, OK at Home DIY, and Connie, Connie's Wood Shop and DIY. And they also have a co-host, and her name is Krista, Krista Crafty Life. All these women are so talented. You must go and visit them. I will make sure to have the links to their channels down in my description box. Make sure to visit them along with the playlist. Make sure to give them a lots of love by sharing, subscribing, and liking. Don't forget to watch their videos all the way into the end so you won't miss any of their inspiration. And now let's go ahead and continue with our second project. I went to Crate and Barrel website and I saw this wall art for $299. And I'm going to go ahead and try to recreate it. It's not going to be exactly the same because I added my own twist, but I think I can make it for a lot less. So I went shopping for these planks and they have it at Dollar Tree at Crafter Square section, and these planks come 6 in a package. I bought 2 different sizes. The first thing that I did is water down this antique wax and give it 1 coat to 12 pieces of these planks. And I also used different size that I had in my stash just to give it that variety. And of course, I come in with a wipey and I wipe all of them down as I go. I'm also going to be doing the same thing to some of these bamboo sticks that I also have. And instead of me using any type of wire, because I was afraid that it was not going to adhere to the wood, I'm using the bamboo sticks, and I'm also going to be giving it 1 coat with this antique wax. So everything is dry. I waited till the next day, and now I know that this is dry, and the hot glue is going to adhere. Now what I'm doing here is I'm laying down all of these planks on top of this picture frame that I have, only to make sure that everything is going to be leveled. So I put them in place, and once I was happy where I was going to be gluing them, then I came in with my bamboo sticks. I cut them to the correct size, and I start hot gluing them to each of the planks. I did that off camera. You'll see what I'm talking about. This was nice and easy, and this cost me less than $3. I had the bamboo sticks that came in a package from Amazon, and I've been using them forever, probably like 2 years, and I still have a lot more left. And the planks cost me $125, and I bought 2 packages. And the other little ones that you see there, I had them from different projects, stuff that you disassemble and you just figure you could use them for a different project. So those are those 2 little ones that you see there. And then this is it. Again, it cost me, let's say, $4 versus $299 plus the tax that Crate and Barrel had. I think I did pretty good. Now that I'm sure how they are going to be placed in place permanently, I'm coming in with the bamboo sticks, and I'm going to be cutting them accordingly. Then with some hot glue, and I used the Gorilla hot glue to make sure that this is going to stay in place. And also, don't forget to check out the incredible playlist in the description box below, featuring some serious talented creators. Show them some love and support. And if you are enjoying this video, please consider subscribing, sharing, and giving me that big thumbs up. Your support means the world to me. And as you can see, now I'm cutting the bamboo sticks, and this is how I'm going to be gluing the plaques together instead of the wire like I explained to you earlier on my video. I thought that the bamboo sticks would hold better, and here it is. They are all put together. What do you think? I think this is beautiful. This is going to be going on my wall. This is nice and simple, and as you can tell, all I did was turn it around, and this is the way that I glue everything together. So you can see how I attach the planks together with the bamboo sticks. I thought this was nice and simple. It's really lightweight. And now for the final review, and also some bloopers are coming up, so stay tuned until the end. Jump in really quick and remind you to please go ahead and visit that playlist. Just a reminder that this is part of an open collaboration. Please make sure to visit the playlist down below. Just wanted to remind you that this is part of an open collaboration. Don't forget to go ahead and visit that playlist down below in my description box. Make sure to hello. Just wanted to jump in and tell. Never gonna get this right. Breathe. Hello, welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today I am participating of another challenge, and it is called What Would You Make? Stay tuned. Make sure to visit that playlist down below. Hello, welcome to my channel. Hello, we're halfway down this video. I am so